So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Rosalie College of Engineering and Technology. So the subject code is C8951. I'm going to take calculator. In this, the concept unit I'm going to take is Unit 5 and the file transfer protocol. www. The significance of internet, the history of internet development, World Wide Web, internet service provider will be there, and reliability and stability of the network. So what are the significance of internet? Before internet will be having intranet. So only selected people or the selected organization will have an access to one thing in the that's present in the they can have an after the evolution of www internet. So how much internet changed your company infrastructure along the in 150 managers, say for example, very little. So history of internet development, 30-year history, Pentagon and Cold War. The original users are militaries, universities and business firms. Made a safe transition of data between military systems. Hypertext transfer protocol, WW and HTTP. So then hypertext transfer protocol is the language of the web. The protocol used for communication between web browser and web server. It through the port 80, RFC is 2616. So URI, URN and URL. Hope you are familiar with URL. www.ninu.edu is nothing but a URL, Uniform Resource Locator. So URI is a Uniform Resource Identifier. It is give the information about your resource. Uniform resource name, the name of the resource in which the domain namespace is there. Uniform resource locator, how to find the resource, and URI that says how to find the resource. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, URL, uniform resource locator, protocol, HTTP, FTP. HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol, FTP are the newest one. Which one you are going to use? Host name, name.domain name. Port is usually 8080 or 80. Directory path to the source, resource name, www.hexxx.myplace.com, 80 cga/begin tts. So the email basics. What is an email? Email is an electronic mail you transmitted over a network from one user to another. Can be a simple copy or everybody knows that email, even a small child at the age of 8 is having even though the email system or the network doesn't permit below 15 years, over 18 years it can create your own. So it can be as simple as a few lines of text or include attachments such as pictures or documents. So email up to 75% of the network traffic after the introduction of the internet. What makes up an email? The header, who sends the email, to whom the email is sent, when the email was sent to the email object, the size of the email. FTP uses the services of the TCP, transmission control protocol. So it needs two TCP connection. The well-known port 1 is used for control connection, 20 is for data connection. File transfer protocol, the user interface, control process. The control connection will be through TCP/IP, control process and data transfer process. So the connections, the control connection, the control process, client and server will be having, it's a passive open. You can have passive as well as active open by the client. Control process, data process. The passive open is from the port 21. So the control process, the active open is 62010. The control process, so from 21. NVT, network vector, network virtual terminal. So FTP. So the local connection characters will be in the FTP1, internet NVT character set, the remote computer character set also. So it's the communication is between, simply say that the communication is between the two between FTP client as well as the format of NVT ASCII character 0, control character is 1, electronic mail. So what makes up an electronic mail? Who sent the email, who the mail is sent, the body and attachment, peer-to-peer, pipe and filter, implicit invocation, client server. For the peer-to-peer model, and peer-to-peer model is provided peer-to-peer will have the same setup on the client as well as the server. Provided interface, peer, the record of clients. the possible questions are: list the functions of file transfer protocol, explain how the email is created and delivered using communication computer networks. Thank you.